Hi, I'm Tom Bowling, and I'm here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. And today we're here talking about this beautiful Frosty Meadows collection. And this is one of the Dusty Miller wreaths that's already done for us. And as a shop owner, I'm looking for ways to streamline my operation. And by doing a pre-made item, such as the wreath or whatever it happens to be, I know my fixed cost of goods. And I can sell this as is, or I can accessorize it. I can use it, add a ribbon to it, and do something simple like that. Or taking some of the beautiful hydrangea available here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. And when you do something like this, and you're adding, it's important to know the construction of the back. And the back is done with a twig feel to it. So I'm going to use that circular motion, not going straight down in, but I'm going to follow that construction of that material and actually just slide that stem into place, and it holds right there. So when we're doing something like this, it could go for a door piece, or you could use this for a table piece, as I'm doing here. Add a few accessory, maybe some candles to it, or some interest into the center. And you can get the idea just how quickly, by adding just a few stems of strategic placements with these wonderful hydrangea. And of course we do have the foliage that's on there too. So I would use that as well, kind of to break up the background of all the Dusty Miller here, but done the same way. Now, you could actually take your hot glue pen, dip your stems in, and then do the insertion. But either way, what you want to make sure that you're doing is to follow those construction, the base of the construction, so you're going in at that same angle, get that insertion in there good and tight. And then, like I said, I love the contrast of the foliage of the hydrangea. Now, this is a perfect example for a summertime look. It could easily go into the fall, kind of that trans-seasonal time. Yes, you could even take something like this and use it for wedding work, accessorize it maybe with some fruits, or in the fall time, some pumpkins, some gourds, etc. But I love the fact that that gray is such a neutral palette, and it allows us to take it to whatever direction that you want to go. Very rich, very romantic. All good from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.